Hi everybody, this is Kateri. Hey, this is late, but at least I'm getting it out. Oh, hold on a minute. Oh, that's right. Okay, so anyway, I want to do the drawing for our spool challenge, and I've just kind of got a few of them here that I have made, and I also have another one that I am also making. So here's my little bowl, and all I'm going to do is draw, and then I'll write down the first two will be partners and so on. So let's see who this is. This is Tammy Hallwood will be our first. Let's see, Tammy H. Let's see who your partner is going to be. Trying to do this one-handed. And it is Nancy Izzo. Don't know if you can see that. Can you see it? Maybe not. Yeah. So you two will be partners. Nancy Izzo. All right, and let's see who else. So do it like this. And we have Lee T. And we'll see who your partner is. And we have Jackie Ramos. Jackie. Ramos. I know, Spencer, you want to go to bed. I know it's late. All right, let's see who our next one is. I have two there. Trying to keep the bowl up so I couldn't look in there. Rose Alcala. See who your partner is. Oh my, it's me. Rosie and I. Okay. Alrighty, let's see who that is. This will be Amy Love. Hi, Amy. And we have Liz Jarmillo. Jarmillo. All right, looks like we have Steph. And let's see. This is Mary Forster. Mary, you need to get a hold of me to make sure that you are still doing this. I have two more. I think she is. These are the last two. This is Abril, Martinez. And who's my last one? We'll put the bowl over here. Knew that bowl would come in handy for something. And we have Maribel. Maribel. Okay, cool. If you can get a hold of your partners, to let them know that you know who they are. You may get their address, please. That way you have each other's address to send your spools to. So hope everybody will have a wonderful week, and we'll just see you later. Bye-bye. Oh, yes, and don't forget, they are due the last day of this month, which is, well, the last day of the month, I think, is the 29th. They're due on the 28th. So you want to make sure that your partner has them at least by the 28th, or give or take a day or so. Okay? All righty. Thank you. Bye-bye.